Hello and good afternoon, stockers. Welcome back to the live market commentary. It's 13:41 in the afternoon. Market is still open. It's almost flat. Let's check out some stocks. Also, we will discuss about the index. Well, today we can see some good volumes in DFM. It have done around 139 trades since morning. Unfortunately, it's in red by 1.92%. It's down. And the opening was with a gap down. Previous closing was 1.04. It opened with a gap down, almost trading at the same price as of now, 1.02. Offer is at 1.03, bid at 1.02. We can see volume increasing at the offer side, whereas bid volume is still very low. It's around 250,000. We can see 1.5 million here. So obviously, just by seeing at the figures, we can say sellers are a bit aggressive here. So I don't see it crossing the resistance of 1.03 today at least. Let's check out some other stocks. Amanat, for the last 1 week or so, it's been just hovering around 1.10, 1.8. Today it broke the resistance. It touched 1.16. Looks good for today as well. And for long-term investment, it's up by 4.54%. Currently trading at 1.13. Volume is also not wow, but it's okay. 94 trades since morning. I will also share the charts with you in a while, but for now let's check out the live market, how it's performing. If we talk about the index, we can clearly see it's choppy. There is no proper trend. Market is very choppy for now. For the last 10 to 15 days, market is just choppy. It's just between 2,900 and 2,760 zone. So it's kind of choppy and in a range. Obviously, it broke the support of 2,800. As of now, we are at 2,772, which is below the support area. If we talk about IMAR, volumes are relatively low. 1.5 only, 87 trades. It opened flat. It made a low for the day, 3.96. Currently at 3.98. No big buyers for IMAR as of now. Real estate stocks are under pressure, but if we see DR opened flat, but it touched 0.300. As of now, trading at 0.297. I hope it closes at least above or at 0.300. Similarly, UPP as well. You know, DR and UPP, they move together. It opened with a gap up, which is very positive. Previous closing was at 0.275. Today's opening at 0.278. High of 0.279. Low of 0.271. Good buying opportunity here. But still, UPP is in a downtrend as of now. I had mentioned on my YouTube channel in yesterday's video that it's right at the support. If we see a bullish candle or a bullish chart pattern with a confirmation, it's good for a buy. I would still wait for a proper price action and then buy UPP. My today's trade I would like to share with you, as I had mentioned in my yesterday's video that I had uploaded on my YouTube channel, if you have seen it. For now, I'm only stocking GFH, Gulf Financial House. It opened with a gap up, which is a first sign of positivity. It means buyers are aggressive. They want to grab the shares at the offer price or at market price. It touched a high of 0.745. Obviously, my entry was at 0.739, which I had mentioned yesterday. The moment it crossed resistance, I entered the trade. As of now, it's in plus. Currently trading at 0.744. Guys, making money in stock market is not very hard. At times, even not trading is a good trade. You have to save your capital, your money. You have to be patient. Market will give you chances. So if you block your money, imagine people were just saying IMAR is at lowest. Let's buy, let's buy. They started calling it from 4.20. Let's buy IMAR, let's buy IMAR. It's been dropping since then. IMAR is dropping. It's on a free fall. We can see it made a low of 3.96 today. So imagine someone who bought at 4.20, 4.15, 4.11 or whatever the price is. As of now, they are in losses. Now imagine The person who bought at these levels, 4.15, 4.20 or whatever, they are missing opportunities in DR, DIB, UPP, GFH, Amanat. These are all opportunities as of now. Even though the market is in a range, but market is giving us opportunities, isn't it? DR is also good, Amanat is good, GFH is good, UPP can be good if it makes a good closing. So this is how you trade. This is how you protect your capital. Like I mentioned, at times, even no trading is a good trade. You save your money for better opportunities. So let's check out something else. Emirates NBD, you know, as I keep saying, when Emirates NBD moves, it moves the market index. Opened with a gap up 12.95, which is positive, touch 13. As of now, it's almost at the day high, that is 12.95. Low volumes around 600,000, only 86 trades so far. DIB 4.96 was previous closing. When it opens with a gap down, watch out. One important thing here, when a stock opens with a gap down, it does not necessarily mean that it will go down from here. Maybe there is an aggressive seller or sellers who wants to get out of his position and sell at the market. Maybe market can again pick up and cross the day's high or resistance. So exactly this is what has been happening here. Previous closing was 4.96. Today it opened with a gap down, but it managed to cross the resistance for the day, that is 4.95. As of now, it's trading at the day high, that is 4.97. We will analyze after the market closes. We will see the closing of stocks and then decide stocks to buy for this week. For now, let's analyze another stock. If we talk about the index, it's still struggling. It's trying to cross the day's resistance. I'm not sure if it will be able to cross. But as we are in the live market, let's wait and see. Market have turned green, 2772.83. Market is up by 0.39 points, almost flat. No magic here. Market is still sluggish, very choppy. Salama, also a range based stock which broke the range last week and it's been on a free fall. It opened with a gap down, so obviously we are not interested. When you see big gaps, previous closing was 0.754, today's opening is 0.751. It means it opened with a gap down with 0.003 points. So you have to watch out when the market opens with big gaps, and you can see it is not able to cross the day's high. 0.751 was the opening, high price is also 0.751. It means it's not able to cross day's high. As of now, it's trading at 0.748. It's not able to cross 0.751. Now 0.751 will become day's resistance. So market is still open. Let's see how it goes. Emaar Malls, also the same story. It opened with a gap down. Here we go. As of now, it's green. 1.99 was previous closing, today's opening 1.97. But when a stock manages to cross day's resistance or day's high, we can see buying pressure coming in. As of now, it's trading at day high 2.00. It have managed to cross day's resistance or opening, and there are good chances it can even cross 2.00. But at the same time, you have to consider the volume. 800,000, only 18 trades. Clearly we can see there are not many trades happening in the day. It means only retail traders or small boys are buying and selling the stocks. Institutions, banks and other big boys are out of the market. If we talk about the volume and overall trades, we can see as of now, let me go up. As of now, we can only see 1,200 plus trades, and it's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and we are left with 1 hour. So you can imagine the volume. There is very, very low volume in the market. Let's check out ADX. Okay, ADX volume is good, can't complain about the volume, but still the market is down by 0.17%. But if we talk about total trades, it have already crossed 5,000, whereas Dubai stock market, we are hardly seeing 2,000 trades happening. Let me delete. Check this, 1,262, and if we see ADX, 5,342. So there is a huge gap, huge gap. And volume is also good, 186 plus, whereas DFM 72 plus. So yes, market is a bit slow, no firecrackers, as I say, wait and watch game. GFH have come down 0.737. Days high is good. There is too much of a gap here. Let me tell you what this means. This is bid and this is offer. You can see there is a gap, and this gap is called spread. When you see a tight spread like this, 3.58 and 3.59, it means this is very tight spread. Here the gap is huge, meaning lack of liquidity, lack of buyers in the market. So it's always better to see a stock with a tight spread so that you have a good exit and entries. So this is it, guys, for now. We are in live markets, and I expect market to close positive. Let's see how it closes today. This is it for now. I will update with my stock picks later in the evening. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.